Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome to this tables match. It's Jesse Jackhammer versus Marley Goode for the Universal title. It's gonna be a barn burner, folks. This Jackhammer's going outside the ring now. Marley following him out there. Oh, smashing his head off the table. Folks, Marley back into the ring. Just Jackhammer now picks up the table. He drops the table. Oh! Nation, a DDT onto the floor. He's climbing up. Gets back inside the ring. Marley's coming back in too. Oh! Oh, a clothesline. Just Jackhammer now outside the other side. Marley picked up the table. Boom, boom. Oh, just Jackhammer has the table in the ring now. He picks it up. And he hits Marley. No, he doesn't. Oh, kick to the gut. Punch to the gut. Oh, Jesse Jackhammer reverses it. Throws Marley into the corner. Drops him down. Marley Goode's down. Can he recover? Jesse Jackhammer picks up the table. Marley has him up on his shoulders, but Jesse Jackhammer reverses it. Throws Marley into the ropes. Oh, went for the backbreaker. The GTO backbreaker, but Marley reversed it. Jesse Jackhammer back on his feet again. Went for the GTO backbreaker again. Picks up the table. Oh, he was gonna set it up, but Marley puts Jesse Jackhammer into the corner. Another Nation DDT. Marley rolls outside the ring now. Jesse Jackhammer has the table. Sets it up. Table set up now. Jesse Jackhammer was taunting. Another Nation DDT to Marley Goode. He rips Marley into the table now. He grabs him. Oh no! He's not weak enough yet. Jesse Jackhammer now. Outside the ring. Oh! Reversed by Jesse Jackhammer. Marley's punching. Oh! Missed the table by a mile. Standing drop kick. Marley's down. Going for the suplex. Connects. Jesse Jackhammer's back on his feet now. Pulls Marley into the table. He's going for a suplex. Oh, here's your winner. And still the Universal Champion, Jesse Jackhammer. Bye for now.